If you look
keep
over
your
here,
hands off her, she's mine.
If you look this way, Dollar.
Yeah.
What the head over there has got a ton of arrows and shit in it. Just check the box.
Oh, nice.
Fucking bear!
Hey, don't do that to the bear.
Nice knowing ya.
You put a crowbar.
Fuck me. I had 9 rounds for the 308. I got my flak and Kevlar and my rifle.
No,
and my shotgun in my ass.
right now it's only binos and flashlight.
It's fine.
That's so fucking gay. It glitched through a boulder. I couldn't see it. It just a boulder became a bear and killed me.
Boulder became a bear.
In a half a fucking second.
Yeah, that's likely.
Okay, dipshit. You didn't see it. I did.
You didn't see it, Dusty. You don't know.
Bear.
Oh fuck, this is boulder that we killing.
Oh, dang, crossbows.
No, it was just a boulder, nothing.
Yeah, scoped on it. Pretty sick.
Yeah, yeah. Do you guys like the crossbows? Because if you don't, I'll take a crossbow instead.
Take one, whatever you want. We have enough guns. And the only thing we need is ammo, really.
Alright, I'm close to my Bubba's butt fuck.
Well, I could start. Oh, dang, there's stuff all over the floor here.
I just threw some work boots and shit because I got my Converse on now. Hey, we should go check that guy out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that actually. Take this combat knife to cut him up.
Back up.
Now this is a phase right here. This is 3 stories.
So you guys agree? Like I think Donners and Stickley and maybe Yoj with real guns and probably everybody else with pistols.
Well, we should give Tim some some explosive tip arrows because he does fuck shit up with those.
I don't think we have any. So
I think it's but like Ben, where are you? Like if you were inside that thing, they were hitting the side of it, right? And they were doing they were getting us down to 20%.
No, that's awesome. I just don't think we have any shells.
Right. No, but I think we have some arrows.
Yeah, I made some in the box.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to check out his pack, but now I'm bleeding, so.
I'm gonna hold an AR with me, and Ben, you might want to do the same thing just in case we find it.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Yeah.
Because I mean, we have so many.
We have so many.
Yeah. Or a shotgun, whatever you want.
We don't have shotgun shells.
Right, but if you can carry one because we have so many guns, you can just.
But we don't have a lot of shotguns, so it makes less sense to carry one.
Yeah, carry an AR then, Ben.
I'm gonna just run around and look for ammo.
You know what? If you have less shotguns, you should probably make more rounds for them. Burn.
Dude,
you know what?
There's a lot of shit
it's not even possible to burn me on that.
This is a big base.
Like, I know I'm right.
Stuff.
You're in it?
Yeah. There's a lot of fucking weapons. Not that we need those, but...
Is there any ammo? Oh, we don't care.
Anybody unlock the or open the back door for me?
There's 2 8. There's 3. No, 4, 5 AKs.
I think I just got shot at. Oh, never mind. I didn't.
Good to know for... I think we should leave it for now, though.
What base is this?
It's a big-ass base. It's just open.
All I hear is zombies. Yeah, that's all I hear, too.
Holy shit, there might be more. Not the ammo. There's 3 biofuels. There's barbed wire.
Grab the fuel.
Spark plugs.
Fuel's pretty easy to make.
Fuel's so easy.
We have 7 liquid.
Dude, when I
we're
made
losing them on
20
every
fuel
run we make.
before I left.
Yeah, with the animal fat.
Did you use it all?
Yeah, we made, well, we didn't use it all, but we made more ourselves.
You know what? It was the door we couldn't get in it.
Got it.
And there's upper level stairs.
Take those.
We have those. Oh, there's some.
There's 2 dudes at Bubba's raiding.
Bubba's?
Running away.
Where's Bubba? Okay, I'm coming.
Bubba's butt.
I'm at the church. Where are they heading?
There's so much stuff in here. There's so many car parts.
I'm on
Where's
the
Bubba's?
sauce.
Much scrap.
It's north of Lonely Pines, which is directly to the east of
Yeah,
Cranberry.
Ben, that's way up there, you know, right?
Where are you at?
Yeah, it's
Bubba's
way
what?
up there, yeah. Bubba's truck stop.
I'm in
It's
I-6.
way up there.
I'm at Bubba's.
Bubba's
You're
is
at
north.
Yeah, I'm
Bubba's
there,
is
so
northwest of.
I'm hiding in
Where
a
are
corner.
you?
I'm hiding in a
Cranberry.
corner.
It's northeast. It's northeast.
Oh yeah, whatever. West, east, it's all the same.
Yeah, it is.
It's a police station.
Mike, whereabouts at Bubba's?
I just came in from the east.
I feel like they reduced zombie spawns.
Yeah, there's dudes by those hotel rooms.
There's like No
By
fucking
the
zombies.
rape-
No,
hotel, I
Ben,
thought you do.
once you fire around like I just did, they just all come to that area.
Like, go to the south.
Hang
The road
on.
that goes east-west.
Why the fuck can't you drop flares?
You have to deploy them.
That's
No, did that guy
stupid.
have anything on him?
That's
Mike,
me.
also, if you go to like a bit, like anything that you pick stuff up in, like if you search a moire or whatever the fuck, or like a cabinet, you can throw your flare in there too. You just
Good.
grab it.
Kyler, you moving?
No.
Yeah, I see him.
See him run down the middle of town?
I think my game just crashed.
Uh-oh.
Fucking game.
Yeah, fuck this, I'm going back to base.
He's armed. Probably dead.
I have an axe and no shirt and some bullets in my pants. Gotta bring this back to base to make bullets.
I should start going on runs to just try to find bullets that we can break down and do whatever we want with it.
Yeah, on my way
Police
back, I'm gonna
station.
go to the police station, grab a flat Kevlar and a backpack.
I just picked it up. I just looted the police station.
Oh, did you? Oh, fucking then I'll have it right back.
There is a Kevlar, but although I'll tell you if there's an extra backpack that I can't carry.
Can't we have a lot of that thing?
Yeah, that's not. Oh yeah, you should go. There's a backpack and Kevlar here.
Alright.
Man, there's a lot of parts in here.
Oh, so many parts. Give me your parts.
Yeah, baby.
Is this base open?
There's always
God,
this
I think
fucking
this
AR
base is open.
here.
What base? Was it a 3-story base?
Yeah.
That's where. Alright, you're just.
Repeat what Yoji said.
To the northeast, right?
But there's a lot of guns in there. Take the guns.
Well, I mean, that's the one Nick and I went into, or me and Gillis went into, and we fucking raided their base, and there's dudes in there.
There's a ton of
They
cross.
shot us.
The cool looking one, right?
Yeah, it's legit. It's the one we ran into next to the house.
Oh,
Like, I'm almost lost. I am.
That's our Yoji.
nice. You might have to look at where you are and then use your slash location to get to where you need to be.
Numbers.
So a south heading is negative 1.5.
Brad.
That's
Like,
right.
I'm in the twilight zone. I'm following my. I know my
Thickly.
directions.
Say it.
I'm in the Twilight Zone.
No, like this boulder just turned into a bear.
Told you. Told you it's real.
Running
I'm
around
in the twilight
town.
zone, though, right, Stitch?
In the Twilight Zone.
Oh, yesterday, me and Stickley saw these two guys on the roof of the apartment by our base. Shot one of them dead. Guaranteed we watched him flop. We knew there was one more up there, so we went up on the roof. Stickley opened the door, and I threw a fucking grenade out there, and then we went out there and popped them, and they called us cheaters.
There's
They
a
called
car
us
at
hackers.
Bubba's with 3 dudes
What
on
is
it.
this?
Are you guys aren't tooling around in a car, right?
No.
3 dudes in a car just trolling through Bubba's.
Well, I'm in their fucking base, so if they come in here, I'm gonna rape them.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Get him, Paul.
I only have a makeshift bow.
I got me 2 bullets from my 45 and 1 bullet from my M16.
I haven't found a single bullet. Do you really have to search cabinets for bullets? I feel like that's typically not.
That's
find
where they
bullets,
typically
right?
tend to spawn.
Really? I thought they spawn on top of shit.
I
Sometimes.
got that purified water in their steak too. Ah, bitches.
Oh, is that door open? Hey, dude.
Are you to the east of Bubba's or?
Nope, directly south. If you go southwest, there's a 3-story fort.
Yeah, they have this car. Should I just like stay on them and watch where they go? They can't all go in the
Sure.
car, so they're going walking speed.
Oh, another night. I just found a whole bunch of good shit. 2 night vision goggles. I found a hunting rifle, some ammo, 3
Just grab the
storage
ammo and the
containers
goggles
just
if you
sitting in the wild.
God damn it.
Nice.
Zombies leave me
Backpack,
alone.
Kevlar. I'm just taking it and booking it.
Yeah, Mike, I don't know where they're going, but I got
11-308.
one chance to do this.
Where are you?
In their base.
That is their base? How do you know it's their base?
Because I was in here before with Nick, and they had a Jeep, and there were like 4 or 5 of them, and they killed us. It's probably them.
Okay.
Man, I
I
am not
lost sight
finding
of 'em.
anything in any of these cabinets. Oh, there's some.
I haven't
Creative
found a
ones.
round yet.
Oh yeah, they're here.
That guy just stored 3. Someone just put 3 storage containers there. I just ran on them. Got a 308, 11
I head over there
rounds.
with a few rounds of 308.
I will soon. I'm almost back to base here. Finally, I got a fucking compass.
Bubba's barely close, so let's go.
Yeah,
Dustin.
if you can cruise, like they're at the intersection past
Should I come back,
Bubba's.
Nick? Yeah, I'll just come back.
Past Bubba's, which way? East?
Bring all of the gear.
Which way's Bubba's from our base?
Northeast.
Northeast?
Yeah. Now
Coming
they're.
back to base.
Fuck, can I open up my map? Oh, I dropped it. Yeah, they're heading. They're just dicking around.
Fuck 'em up.
Yeah, let's go, Ben.
I'm
Wait,
at
I'm
the
almost
church.
there, I'm almost
Coming
there.
back.
It's for Dusty,
Find
too.
something. Oh, there we
I can't
go.
believe I found those 3 storage containers.
Oh,
So that's
there's-
like just north of Cranberry. There's a lot of shit north of Cranberry. I've never really been up there.
Oh, I used to. That was one of my metal scrap runs.
Yeah, you're a metal miner too. I dabbled. in
Looks
my
like
day.
they're getting ready to move out. They can't all fit in the truck though, so they have to walk.
Amazing.
Yeah, Donnie.
Are you guys like moving yet?
Yeah, let's go, Ben. You ready?
Dropping off this bag.
No.
Is there anybody at the base then?
Yeah, we're in there right now.
Oh, okay. Because I'm gonna head back here. I haven't found much, but I'll bring back what I
I'm
found.
right by the police station, Donnie.
Dustin, if you want a bag, go in the...
I got a bag and armor. If we have any shotgun rounds, I'd take them.
We have none.
Just do a pistol, and maybe you do a bow.
Yeah, I'll put a pistol on.
That
looks
zombie
like-
is annoying as hell.
I
Ow!
think 14 rounds is the right amount for a pistol, 2 clips.
Pretty good.
Oh fuck! I
No
might
more
die.
coming up on the right, the north side.
For a pistol, that's good.
Alright, I'm coming down towards the base from the north side of Cranberry.
You are cleared for entry, Yoji.
Thank you, buddy.
They're looking right at me, but I'm not moving. Oh fuck! Doing at something. They're headed south from Bubba's.
That's right to me.
Can't
I'm
wait
gonna dump-
until we're
I got a lot
fucking
of
rich enough to have mines be our anti-zombie.
Can somebody open the front
30
door,
lines.
please?
You
Please
mean
tell
the
me.
large gate?
Yep.
You mean the back door?
Yeah,
Is that the back door? I don't care which
No,
one it
no,
is.
the gate is the front door because it faces north. The back door is behind you.
I don't care which one it is. I would just prefer it to be open.
No, let's
Thank
smash
you.
the back door, really, because it's a
I'm
gate.
about to get sodomized. I'm dead.
Anyone want a compass? I have 3 that I jacked from this fucking bag.
There's
Anyone want a...
Yeah, where are you?
You have a compass?
Oh,
Yeah.
Benny, I got 3 of them. I just ripped them.
I'm gonna
Fucking
drop this
doobie.
sacrifice compass.
Nice,
But,
I'll take one.
Disenchant it, yeah.
This one.
Disenchant.
Did you just say disenchanted?
Yeah,
my
clear
God.
it
There's
out.
one. Take that, Donners.
Ben,
Right
red
here.
jump from that?
Right here.
God, the zombies are so loud.
Thank you, buddy.
Ben, take this too.
Alright, let's go up there where Mike died.
there's
you-
5 of them.
Nick,
do you
take
think-
this.
All armed.
Come down here,
with the
Nick. I
truck.
got something else.
Was it night vision?
I'm still in this.
Yes, actually.
I have
one
some.
of those. Oh, Ben, take this night vision then.
I don't need it.
Take the first aid.
Oh yeah, not someone's been banned.
I took 2 night vision from those guys.
Screw you, not someone.
And I took a PW1
Should I leave?
survivor sheet.
Are you guys on your way up here or should I leave?
I don't know, I
have
have up there,
two
but we don't, yeah. We have to get
One
this.
bullet
I think we
for
should have
my
two,
AR.
right?
Bring some
put
223
bullets?
and some 45 and a flash in the backpack. And a Kevlar. And a respirator and goggles. And a t-shirt. And fingerless gloves. Not
I mean,
asking
we might
too
as well
much
take the car. I mean, why not take the car?
Why not?
Because
I
we're
think
not
every
really
time I've
good
ever
yet.
said that, I've regretted it.
I need a flamethrower. Somebody said I should get a flamethrower.